Ford channel, your Northeast Florida car show connection. And this week we're taking you out to the Southern Vintage Christmas Expo at the Northeast Florida Fairgrounds in Callahan. And this is going to be the lid cam, where we just strap the camera to the hat and show you what we see. Fair warning though, there's not much on this lid cam, just a little bit of what cars were there. And I think there were only like, I don't know, 10 or 12 there. No, there wasn't even 12 there, so, you know, you get to see what was there. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're going to keep going out to the car shows and keep on videoing them as much as we can. Now, I guess without much further, let's rev it up for the car show. Yep. He says he's done.
Okay. All right. I'll show you. You just don't know your dog as well as I do. Well, Randy, walk up there and get a bigger one. I put my hats on that baby all the time because she's all
y'all fight like a damn married couple.
And they fit her head just as good as they do mine.
Kim used to work a woman.
Yeah, I only work a couple days a week.
I seen you up there.
Yeah.
I'm only asking because I just applied for
For what position?
pharmacy.
Oh, good.
Well, pretty nice
We really need it because, you know, Debbie retired Thursday.
Oh, really?
And then they came up with a new position.
Well, it's kind of like they're doing away with the lead tech, and they're going to make it team.
Washington Fitting Center?
It's a team. It's on there. It's team lead. Team lead. Really? I'll tell him. He'll be back Monday.
Yeah, I know. Got a battery pack attached to it. It needs it.
I'll let him know you're interested.
Set a call over for 55 kilo rate run. Call over. I bought a set of pay on top and bottom.
Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Southern Vintage Christmas Expo at the Callahan Fairgrounds in Callahan, obviously. There really wasn't a whole lot of cars there. They just don't have a lot of luck with running car shows along with the craft show. I'm not sure why, just is what it is. So, we did go out and support our Callahan Cruisers. We didn't have our... We didn't have the dashboard out there to support them, but we did go out and go to the expo and check out the cars and check out the crafts and everything. So we did our part as much as we could. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers. We are at 313, which is great. We are well on our way. We just need a little bit further to get across that finish line. So, don't forget to share it around, like it, comment, and if you're not a subscriber, hit that little subscribe button. That helps the channel out. Any little interaction helps the channel out. So, do all the YouTubey things. We'll see you guys out at the next one.